Well, this one's pretty easy. If you own an 07 to 13 Silverado like the one behind me, and you want some nice shiny chrome door handles like the ones you could have got from the factory, maybe you missed out on them, we actually offer them currently. This is also going to be one of the most affordable appearance upgrades that we offer. Very simple peel and stick application, and that nice chrome plating will match any other chrome accents you already have on your truck. So if you like the way they look, stick around. I'm going to show you how easy it is to install these. It's a very simple 1 out of 3 wrenches on my difficulty meter. Shouldn't take you more than 10 minutes. So, like I said, this is a very simple peel and stick job. Most of your work is going to be in prepping your door handle to make sure that the 3M can adhere correctly. To do that, you're going to grab the included adhesion promoter that comes in the kit, and you're going to wipe down the door handle. This is going to make sure that your door handle is clean, and it's going to actually make sure that the 3M tape can adhere nicely. All right, with your door handle all wiped down, you can start peeling off the 3M adhesive and applying your chrome handle covers. We're going to start with the inside piece that actually goes between the handle itself and the plastic plate behind it. And as you're applying this, just make sure you push down on it for a few seconds to let the 3M apply. So as you can see, easy peel and stick job like I said earlier, and when you decide you want to take them off in the future, you can do so quite easily. That actually wraps up my review and install of the chrome door handle covers fitting your 07 to 13 Silverado. I'm Travis, thanks for watching, and for all things Chevy, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.